So welcome back guys. So this is day 3 of Kolli diaries and today we are leaving. So time is almost 10:30 and we are about to leave. So I'll be sharing my ride experience today with you. Stay tuned. Gloves model. Come on. Right. So we are leaving Kolli after 2 wonderful days. So we had a very pleasant stay here, I have to say. I went to Uti, Kodaikanal and almost all hill stations. But here in Kolli, the stay was very pleasant. The hotel staff were very courteous and very good. So this time I have kept the traction control of my motorcycle at level 4. So while climbing up, I had a very tough time. So now I have to see how level 4 traction control works. So time is 10:30. So while coming here, we started from my home at around 9 o'clock and we reached by 4:15. Before 4:30 we reached. So now my guess should be I should reach home by 6 o'clock. So my brother was struggling behind me. The ZX is very slow on the curves and he is unable to come behind me. So I told him to go in front and I will come behind him. The 390's tires are not in a not so good condition, so he was finding it very difficult to come behind me. So I let him go, and I think on the national highway I will take the lead. So today we could see a lot of vehicles in this road because it is a holiday. The ill effects of parents purchasing their children motorcycle before purchasing any safety gears, at least a helmet. I don't know how many hairpins I have crossed. I have to look somewhere. They will be keeping milestones mentioning the number of hairpin bends I have crossed. So still 44 more. So I have to climb down another 44 hairpin bends. So half of the hairpin bend is over, 35 gone and still 35 more to go. I think this is the final hairpin bend, yes. 1 out of 70. So I completed all the hairpin bends. And once I cross the forest checkpost, the road will be very free. And that is the forest checkpost. So officially we have crossed Kolli, and here my brother is waiting for me. So now I have started to lead. and I have changed my power mode to medium. Till I get the national highway, I'm going to ride in medium power mode. And the traction control was in level 4. Now I have changed that to level 3. So right now we are riding through Namakkal town. We have crossed the town over the bridge and we are about to enter national highway. We'll be having a fuel stop there, and from there I think the ride will be pretty straightforward. I hope my Google Maps is correct. It is taking me through small roads. Okay, let me see. So right now we are in Namakkal town. எப்படி நேராக தான் நினைக்கிறேன். So right now we are riding through Namakkal town and the road is very confusing. I don't know where to go. My maps is showing I have to take left from here and one. Okay. இப்படி காட்டுது. இப்படி காட்டுது. So the map is showing I have to stay on this road for another 18 kilometers. So I have to stop somewhere and check whether my map is correct. Yes, we are going on the correct route. The board is there. So this road is going towards the national highway, and now we need to refuel our motorcycles. This pump is not good. We need to find a fuel station soon. The KTM is on low fuel now. పవర్ పెట్రోల్ ధర ఇది పవర్ పెట్రోల్ ధర ఫుల్ ట్యాంక్ இது பிரேக் ஆயில் சம்பு So it seems like Google Maps has played with my routes. The fuel station I enquired there, and the route in which I was going was not correct actually. It doesn't lead me to the national highway. So here I have taken another diversion which will take me to the national highway, from where I could have a better ride. The Google map shows the shortest route usually, and I don't know whether any option is there for the quickest route. Now I have diverted from the route which my map is showing, so it is asking me to take a U-turn wherever possible. Finally relief at last. We have found the national highway. So the time is 12:30. And we are about to enter the national highway. So time for me to put my motorcycle in full power mode and remove my mobile. So from hereafter I know the exact route. So that's part 1 of our return ride from Kolli. Stay tuned guys, we have some exciting video clips for you in the next video.